Welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare this viral tomato chutney. Cut all the tomatoes into half and set aside. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Add in the tomato pieces along with garlic cloves. Cover the pan and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat until the tomato flesh separates from the skin. Once the tomatoes are nicely cooked, remove the skin of the tomatoes using a tongue. Transfer the tomatoes and garlic into a separate bowl. Now using a potato masher, mash the tomatoes and garlic till it turns into semi-thick paste. Now add salt, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, lemon juice, chopped green chili, chopped onion and chopped coriander leaves. Mix this thoroughly. You can have this chutney with nachos, chapati or with your daily meal. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you.